and the wars
and Luenye,
and the cattle rustlers.
Kidong Loco Caramujong Manoqualo Diwa.
In the past, we tried to do restocking.
A carbo caranget get down on the conketim, Lomagamata Podier or Dogot, Kidogot.
But as we were restocking, some people went to court.
Magiricha on the donkey chuck me, Dian or Yoka record.
So the court came in and said your people should be compensated.
Cop don't be away, German not take any near the chulgi.
People don't normally compensate for war.
Down did you pick a chulgi pilway?
Because war is chaotic.
Pian Luendo Birgin Macbalo down.
And it destroys so many things.
Balo Jimmy Mapola de da.
It destroys life,
Luen Balo Quo,
property,
Balo Jammy,
time, people's time get lost.
Balo Chawa.
So that's why we're thinking of restocking.
And you know where I ended at Amonemir, donkey me, Dian Mugobadano.
Yes, we lost so many things, but let's start with the restocking.
They are there, one or one game of ball, and a weapon no attack me, Dian Bodlua.
But because we didn't want contradictions,
Piano Merone, Wabal Jimmy Mogo.
I kept quiet and I gave a chance to the lawyers.
And a ling of what, Timio Karake, Lungolcop.
And we started giving them money.
Chagami killing Bodlongolcop.
159 billion.
Million near Telepure Bichabuan.
But when I checked, and I started getting information that there's a lot of war. So I called a meeting of the leaders in Teso, Lango, Acholi. I said, what do we do? Why don't we go back to restocking and have a flat figure per household, per homestead?
Ni pengopi do wadogo chene lok mi poko dia le muro manor ot weng no dia marom.
Then I suggested a figure of a beach dock.
Ni ene ka tiki wel dia ni robera beach or a chiel.
So when the people had this in Teso, Lango, actually they supported it. So when I got a report from the committee of Teso, they supported it. The committee of Lango supported it. Now in Acholi they supported it also. But they added that in the case of Acholi, the war had lasted longer and it was there all the time. And in the other areas it was like a spillover. So it was better to do both in the case of Acholi, to do the 5 a household, but also compensate the other ones who had been identified. So me, I was very happy because at least all the areas had agreed on a beach per homestead.
And here Yompian area where you look at your beach, you are a chill.
Now this is good because now that's the minimum.
And only any yom, and a bit of bear, and none of the beach,